Hey guys, my name is One Gaming, and today, oh, who did that? Who had the head? Who did that? Guys, did you see it on my screen? Who did that? Is it the guy with the charmer, I think? Let me see. It's the Crazy Daisy Snow Cone. XD. Oh, she's gonna do a what happened to Spooky Scary? He looks glitched, to be honest. Oh. I know what he did! There's teamers in this server, basically. This guy and this guy. Okay, the game is glitching, legit glitching. I mean, this girl is lagging, not me. Okay, that guy is in first person. He does not. Okay, is he sheriff? No, he's not. To be honest, this girl is lagging. Down here. Okay. The sheriff! You found a sheriff! Crazy Terry. Uh-oh, he's going to shoot him. Okay, too late. He's using footsteps, to be honest. Crazy Daisy Cone. I think she is not... Oh! I think she's not a beginner, basically, because... Actually, she's not a... Guys. Yeah, good job, teamer. He betrayed me. These two are teamers, to be honest. Guys, we're gonna troll the teamers, to be honest. Alrighty then. See you in the next round. Okay, guys, we're innocent. Yes. Y'all innocent. That's what I always say. Pony says y'all innocent. You murderer. If I glitched, yeah, I glitched. Yeah, people, that would be a perfect troll for the... Oh, man. That would be a perfect troll for the butter. Why? People are going to follow me, to be honest, okay? They don't know I have another account that is high leveled. Basically, not higher than dark than new light. Oh, man. You! With the limit... Oh, who is it? Who is it? Alright, guys. Into the next round. Guys. Alright, we're murder. Alright. What are we going to do when we're murder? Don't know. So we're going to go first. You. Nope, not going there. I will kill you last, to be honest. I haven't. You did not see that. You did not see that! You did not see that! You did not see that. You did not see that too. Okay. Alrighty then. Guys are stuck. Let's take my... Okay, guys, we lost. That's okay. My new... Guys, if I saw, like, a person who is basically legit, like, a different language, basically, they might be French, I have Google Translate, and just in case if there is a person, oh, the ground is starting, a person who is, like, speaking Spanish, speaking French, okay, I did not read that, okay, game starts in 3, 2, 1, blah, blah. If I die, I'm gonna pause the video, to be honest. Hey, murderer, where are you? Okay, it might be the teamers. I wanna troll the teamers. That's why I'm making the video short. Oh, it's a pink skin guy. Okay, he's lagging to be. Oh no. That girl's running. He coming? Yep. 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 Okay, he's coming through that chimney, to be honest. We have to go. We have to go right now. Sheriff, where are you? Sheriff, where are... Okay. Where are you? Sheriff. No. You. I got the sheriff's gun. Yeah, okay. Okay, I gotta hide. He might be coming here. He might be coming. He might be coming. He might... Gosh. Hi, girl who got chased. Stop following me. I'm not... Move! Move! I'm a great sheriff, right, guys? Into the next round, bruh. Guys. He left. Darn it! I thought I was going to go to, like, verse him. Verse the teamers. Aw, dang it. Guys, we're going to take care of this guy. Alright, the round is starting. Okay, I spawned leader. It might be a bit unlucky spawn, basically. You might be murdered because you have a rare knife. That's really nice and cool. Don't you dare! Yeah, that's what you get. Tricked. Wait, that was quick. That was very quick. I didn't know that. Oh. It's Diana, what the heck? Why does it show my new version? Okay, where's myself? Seriously? Who's... Oh, wow, you're lagging, to be honest. I don't like people lagging, to be honest, because Mirror might be lagging and we might be safe. Shoot. Gosh. Guys. Okay, trade me. I don't want to trade you. Okay, last round, and then we're going to have to go. Innocent. Alright. Let's find murderer. Murderer, where are you? I don't want to get to you because I don't want anyone to get cut. Oh, no. Oh, what is happening? Why is this? Okay, guys. I think it's time for us to end the video. What the hell? It was a girl with a heat. Really? Okay, guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Toodaloots. E/way. Oh, man. I typed a lot. Toodaloo.